Hello everyone, my name is Gus, Osh English aqui, and today we're gonna talk about TH sound. Okay, first we have voiced and unvoiced TH. Originally, the American TH doesn't have sound. I know it's quite strange, a sound doesn't have sound, it doesn't even make sense. Wait, let's do a test, okay? Let's do a test. You will put your hand on your throat and then you will speak some words, right? Let's check if one piece of them will vibrate your vocal cords. If it doesn't vibrate, it's unvoiced, and if it does, it's voiced, as simple as it is. Vaca, faca, asa, assa, big, pig, goat, coat. In our case, this is what you will do with the TH in words, okay? Like think, that. Okay, we already know what is voiced and unvoiced. English has more than 1 million speakers. 1 million speakers. And most of them aren't native. So if you want to say thanks as thanks, that's okay. That's completely okay. That's just accent. That's just accent. But if you want to produce the first one, just keep watching. We won't work with TH sounds voiced, like that, those, and these, but with unvoiced sounds, like thanks, think, thought. TH sound is one dental fricative sound. It means that you will produce this sound with your tongue between your teeth, like this. Think, think. Oh, thanks, thanks. Okay, and for us Brazilians, it sounds like something strange and a little bit difficult for some people because of one reason. We don't have that sound in Portuguese, so you have to practice. Now we already have in mind what do we have to do, but our tongue needs to understand it. So your tongue needs time and repetition, okay? You need a practice, actually. So that was a short video. We have more videos here in this channel, Osh English, tá bom? Se precisar ver mais vídeos, se precisar perguntar alguma coisa, tiver dúvidas, deixa aqui nos comentários que eu tô aqui para ajudar, beleza? Teremos vídeos em português e inglês. Esse foi um dos vídeos que alguns dos meus alunos pediram em inglês. Então, os vídeos que forem para ajudar na fluência serão em inglês. And the videos about grammar and everything else will be in Portuguese. Okay? So, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. See ya!